So, you just got a new laptop and have no idea what to do first to make sure it lasts long and doesn't run into any little error. You know, those small problems that actually have easy fixes. But because we don't know how to solve it, we end up wasting time being confused. Here are the few things you should do on your new laptop. First tips for 2025. Yeah, I know there are tons of content creators on YouTube making similar tips, but trust me, this one has some fresh insights. Technology keeps evolving and we gotta keep learning. Let's get straight to it. When you first buy a laptop, your screen might look something like this. Well, this is actually my old laptop, but let's just pretend it's new. Remove all unnecessary bloatware. First thing you gotta do is delete all the pre-installed software that you don't need, like a bloatware, just like Android. Windows comes with a bunch of pre-installed like Skype or other unnecessary stuff. But the good thing is, on Windows you can uninstall them. It's easy, just right click on the Windows logo, then choose the top option. It says installed apps. If your language is set to English, I'll show you a list of software you should uninstall, but of course this is optional. Just remove whatever you think isn't useful. Disable unnecessary startup programs. Next, disable unnecessary startup programs. When you turn on your laptop, some apps start automatically with Windows, making the boot time longer and running in the background, which slows things down. To stop this, just right click on the taskbar, go to the task manager, then find the startup apps. It has a speedometer icon. From there, disable everything you don't need. Look, I've disabled everything here, see? Disable. But there's one thing you shouldn't disable: security help, which is Windows built-in antivirus. Leave that on. Other than that, it's up to you. I personally keep rain method for my custom desktop look and transparent taskbar for transparent taskbar. Just adjust it based on what you need. Understand power management. Next up, power management. Search for the word choose. Remember this because you'll use it often. What is power management? Basically, you should adjust your power settings based on what you're doing. If you're just typing on the Word, Microsoft Word, browsing lightly, or doing simple tasks, use balance or power saver mode. This helps save battery when unplugged and keeps the laptop cool when charging. If you wanna do a gaming or do heavy tasks, switch it to high performance mode. Every time you change the activity, adjust your power plan accordingly. If your laptop only has balance, you can create a new power plan. Create power plan and choose balance, or power saver, or high performance. Name it, next, and create. Done. Enable battery charging threshold. This is super useful to make your laptop battery last longer. If you don't know, charging your battery all the way to 100% isn't recommended. It's better to stop at 80% or 85% to prolong battery life. With a battery charging threshold, your laptop will stop charging at 80% and use direct power from the charger. So you can play games while plugged in without damaging the battery. Each laptop has a different method to enable this, so look it up based on your brand laptop. If you have a Lenovo ThinkPad, download a Lenovo Vantage from the Microsoft Store. It's free. Open it, go to the device settings, power, and scroll down to turn on battery charge threshold. Once set, your battery will stop charging at 80% or 85%, and your laptop will run directly on power from the charger. The last is read error message. This one is important but often ignored. Read error messages. When you're gaming or doing work, sometimes an error pops up with some text. Don't ignore it. Those messages actually tell you what the problem is. Not just for errors, reading is important for everything related to your laptop. If the error is English, or other language, just take a screenshot using a typing tool, then translate it on Google Translate or ChatGPT. So those are 5 things you must know when using a new laptop. As you can see, this is a new channel. I'll be uploading more content about laptops. and software in the future. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more.